In this video, I'll show you how to send a Google Meet invite in Gmail. So you can do this in Gmail, which I'll show you. You can also do it in Google Calendar or Google Meet. In Gmail though, you want to go to Compose in the top left hand corner, and then you can go ahead and enter in the recipient, the subject, and a message. Once you've entered in all of those fields, click on the More Options button in the bottom right hand corner, then click Set up a time to meet. Here you can then click Create an Event, and that will load up your Google Calendar on the right. Here you can exit out of this and you'll be able to see your calendar. Just make sure you look at the day here, make sure you select the right day. So let's say I want to meet on the 18th of May, which is a Monday. We can then choose a time, let's choose 1 PM, and you can add a meeting title. Again, you can then choose how long you want this meeting to go on for. I'll just put 30 minutes, does not repeat. You can then click Add Guests and then type in their email again. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see yourself and the guest. If you've got any descriptions or notes needed, you can put them in this description box down here. Click on Save and then Send. This will send them an email automatically. You can also click on it and copy this link, which you might want to paste in your email as well. This will give you the meeting details, which you can also go ahead and send. The recipient will then receive the email that you sent with a link to click on the meeting. They will also get this invitation meeting from Google Calendar, which will allow them to join straight away and have the same information.